Hello all, welcome to a new video. This is the third video I'm filming today, so I'm hoping that I can still talk you through this. But today I'm opening the November Pipsticks Pack. So like I said, third video today. I filmed a PO box opening video this morning with some really lovely mail. Then I wanted to start cleaning the house and I found the mailman gave me the new flow book for paper lovers, so that will also be online on my channel. And I filmed that, and now I went to my mailbox, my home mailbox, and I found the Pipsticks pack this month. So I'm going to take you guys through it. First of all, I don't remember which number this is. I think this is the third one I'm receiving so far. Third one, if I'm not mistaken. I have learned that the envelope seems to sort of reflect what will be inside. So I can see sunflowers and a scarf and a panda and a lot of leaves. So I'm very curious to see what is in there. I hope it is fall themed, but I sent a message to Pipsticks saying that I was really excited about the last one they did, and then they said we are also very excited about next month, which will be sloths. So I'm very confused as to what is going to be in here. By the way, if you also want to order your own Pipsticks pack, I have a referral code in the description box down below. This does not give you a discount, I'm very sorry, but it does. What happens is that if you guys use my code, if 3 of you use my code, I get 1 month for free. So you would really help me out by using my referral code. So far I have had 2. This is my second normal Pipsticks pack. Apparently when you sign up the first month you will get a new subscriber special edition. So this is my second one, which is normal, and this is apparently, they do this every month. They have a Pippi magazine, and there's just some information in there. They also have a really fun, this is not sponsored in any way, they also have a really fun Instagram page with a lot of stickers, of course. October's winning number. I will do that at the end. I hope I won. No, I really shouldn't win anything else from Pipsticks because I did win. Hello, Noos. Are you joining us today? She's sitting behind me. I won a Pipsticks giveaway before where I won 3 free months of Pipsticks subscription and a fun goodie box. So even though this is not sponsored, I did get this pack for free. Wow, okay, I'm going to flip it upside down as to not spoil anything. And then this month's card has a really pretty graph design on the back, and it says back to bed, which kind of matches my mood right now. So as always, I'm going to open this pack upside down so that I do not spoil anything. The only thing I want to pick out now is the puffy sticker because I already saw it, and I'm not sure if I'm really excited about this one. It is like always, oh, this is my raffle ticket. It is like always a, what the hell? It's like always, they always have these really fat, this is the fattest puffy sticker ever. They always have really fat puffy stickers every month, and this month it has a hot sauce design. I really don't know how I feel about this. I mean, the fact that it is a fat puffy sticker makes me excited, but I don't know about the hot sauce design. And it smells really plasticky, which the other times it did not. But that's not a negative comment, it's just a remark. So okay, we have our fat puffy sticker, and I'm going to grab the next sheet from now. I hope you cannot see my reflection in this because I'm looking like a cleaning lady. Okay, ooh, that's cute. So we have a sheet with sakura, like the cherry tree blossoms, and they're all in sort of stamp designs. I like this a lot for decorating, but I could also send this to someone else, or even cut it up and send some part of it to someone else. So I really do like this. And then next up, I forget every time how many stickers are supposed to be in there. Oops, spoiler. They're all upside down. Oh, that's cute. It's actually a little bit Christmassy themed. So this is, judging by the sticker here in the corner, a Pipsticks original. They're all trees and sort of Christmas trees in different colors with some silver foiling, which is really cute. Ooh, okay, this has a really, even before I flipped it over, I was excited because this has a really nice feel to it. I don't know how you guys are about your stationery supplies, but feeling like the feel is also important to me. And this is a sheet with all sorts of planner items. So we have planners, pens, washi types, paper clips, even an envelope here. And I do have to say that even though it doesn't scream me, I quite like it. Ooh, this looks like a Pipsticks original. Yay! It's actually not fall themed. I would have thought so by the leaves on the envelope, but it is Christmassy kind of. So we have these really fun, again with the silver foiling bows, and it is a Pipsticks original. I think that as far as I know from the previous one, they have this size of Pipsticks originals, and I really do like this. So this will be perfect for decorating Christmas mail. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like these videos, and let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite sheet. Aww. This is again kind of perfect for, again, Christmas. We have all of these deer, different deer, a lot of lady deers and 2 male deer. I really don't know what you call them. They have some funny name. If you know, let me know. So all of these, and yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. They're plastic stickers. So far all of them are plastic stickers except for the stationery ones. They feel kind of papery. But not that plastic stickers is a bad thing, it's just I would normally use paper stickers, preferably in my bullet journal. I don't know if that's just me. I'm going through it rather quickly today, which I'm hoping will be a nice change for my long videos. Ah, there we go, there's the sloths. I actually have one friend who's crazy about the sloths. These are kind of cute, I have to admit. So we have a lot of sloth in either light blue, light pink, or just their normal brown color. And I have to say, I especially like the little tiny stickers that are around the sloths, because I don't know if you guys can see it, but they say, for example, a heart with the word naps in it, nap club, chill, chill and repeat, chill, 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 a lot of chill and a lot of naps. So the tiny stickers are actually my favorite part, but I have to say I also quite like the sloths. I see something cute. Oh, we have a lot of little bunny stickers. We also had bunny stickers, I think, in the previous pack or the first pack, I don't remember, but they were also kind of cute. So just quite simple, 4 different colors, and they're tiny little bunnies. I could imagine cutting these up and sending some to pen pals, but they would also probably be very, very cute on an envelope. And then we have, oh yes, we have some shimmery stickers. So we have again some Christmas trees. Ow, Lucy's putting her nails in my leg. Hello, do you want to come on the table? Do you want to come sniff the stickers? What's wrong? Go there. Come sniff the stickers, people usually like seeing you. Little cat intervention. So we have these shimmery Christmas tree stickers. I don't even have to say that this is perfect for Christmas. Vivian, you said it anyways. Next up, I only see the back, so there's no spoilers. But this is again a Pipsticks original, and I love this. These are all, oh, Lucy's just sitting here. These are all coffee cups. So we have a lot of, and you can actually, I don't like that that's still in here, but look, you can actually take the white out of the mug, so they look a little bit better. I sound like a sticker snob right now, but that's actually quite nice. So we have a lot of coffee cups, either takeaway or mugs, and they have fun sayings on them, like eyes on the prize, plant lady, back to bed, boom shakalaka, have a nice day, pizza, 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 pizza. And then there are also quite a lot of little stickers around it, like weekend, caffeine and kindness, love language is coffee, and then I don't know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, weekend. Where's Thursday and Friday? Oh, there, Thursday and Friday. Never mind, I didn't say anything. Next up. Oh, love this. Love, 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 love. This is my favorite sheet so far. I guess you guys will know why if you watch my videos. Beautiful florals. They have a little bit of rosé gold foiling on them. This is Pipsticks Originals. Ooh, wait a minute. It says here, Letters by Shells. I think that might be an Etsy store or something. They sometimes do collaborations. I will probably read about that in the Pippi magazine, but I cannot do that now because, as you can see by the shadows, the sun is going down. So this is totally me, 100%, absolutely love it. Florals, rosé gold, little leaves. This is perfect. So I have to say I'm quite happy with the pack this month. Then we have one big sticker. Oh, this is a, I still don't know how to pronounce it. I think this is a vinyl sticker, vinyl, I don't know. And there's a little LP player. What's the English word for that again? A record player. And it says let's dance. Quite like that. Still quite a few left. Next up, ooh, this is again, I think, yeah, they did a collaboration. I really hope I'm saying that right. Letters by Shells. Oh, there we go. Also in this month's pack you will find gorgeous stickers by Shelly Kim or as Letters by Shells. Yeah, so that is I don't know, probably an Instagram account, and she made these beautiful planner stickers that I absolutely love, or at least I think I'm going to use them for planners, because it says tea time, coffee time, brunch, hashtag goals, yay, love, love. That's beautiful, and I absolutely love the rose gold foiling. I have another sheet. Oh, boy. This is actually, what I like about this is the feel. It has a papery feel to it, which is something I like, but I really don't like these stickers. I could probably make someone else happy with them, but I'm more into the cutesy colors. But I see why they would add a sheet like this, because if this is not your style, then you're probably happy something like this is in there as well. This is really not my style, but there are a lot of telephones and clocks and, I don't know, vacuum cleaner and televisions and stuff, and I could totally see why someone else would like it, but I don't think I'm going to use this. So let me know in the comments down below if you would like to receive it, and who knows, you might. Oh, I've reached the last sticker sheet already. Kind of sad. I went through it really quickly. And the last sticker sheet are these really cute hedgehogs. These are actually perfect for fall crafting because, you know, hedgehogs, fall, I think it kind of matches. And we have a lot of different hedgehogs doing different activities. One in the bathtub. What is it, Moose? Why are you watching me? Are you jealous I talk about another animal? She's sitting underneath the camera. This is actually kind of tricky. A hedgehog in a bathtub with a hat, crying, playing soccer, in a basket, you know, all those kind of things. So that is actually quite cute. So these will be used for fall crafting and probably sent as a gift as well. So now that I've showed you all of those, I'm going to look at my raffle ticket from last month. No, I don't think I won, but always when I didn't win, of course, I say always, but this is only the third time I do this, but I use the ticket for decorating because that's also kind of cute. Where is it? On the back, of course. No. October's winning number is 51. Nah, that's not me. But the raffle prize is quite nice. A lettering kit and stationery haul. But no, I didn't win, but that's all good. And I'm going to see if I win next month. So, with all of that aside, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what is your favorite sticker sheet and what you would use them for. This was an extra video, so don't forget to come back Monday and Friday to watch my normal videos. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and I will see you again very soon. Okay, bye bye!